Wow, my people, my day again once more. Big up, respect and manners to each and everyone. I hope that everyone alright, is it? Alright, so I have one main topic that I want to talk to you about in this video. But before I get to that topic, I want to let you know about some videos that are being talked about on social media. Alright, so first things first, I am going to present a video to you that's going to show a person who was somewhat sitting up, and in my point of view, the person had his eyes closed at least one point. Now, even though I do not have any confirmed information as to why the person was sitting at that location in such a way, a person said some words in the video that gave me the understanding that the person we can see in the video had been accused of drinking rum. Now, I want to take a look at this video and tell what I think, viewers and subscribers, and I want to say this to each and everyone, that you must be of the legal age to drink alcohol. And if you decide that you're going to drink alcohol, please do so responsibly. Alright, here's the video. Look, listen, observe, and tell me what you think.
Bumbo cloth. And you can't tell me, say, man, go and find a rock where? What you man that plan for come do? Yo, Avatar. 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 I want you. You're good? Yeah? And I saw you there now. Yo, a schemer's attack to you now, brother. Wide awake.
A simple schemer?
Yeah.
Want to bang on the laptop.
Bang on the laptop there, man. So you nah get up.
No.
You mash up in my youth. So much rum you drink so till you're there, so dog. You have to move, brother.
Only a schemer. You?
Brother, just cool now, brother. Get up, Avatar. Don't bother with that. Schemers there, so.
My people, I don't have any confirmed information as to why the person was at that area or that location sitting up in such a way, but you can let me know what you think. Alright? So, the next video that I'm going to present to you is going to show two motor vehicles that somehow overturned and landed on their sides. Let me explain some more. The video that I'm about to present to you is going to show one truck that somehow overturned and landed on one of its sides. And the video is going to show another truck that somehow overturned and landed on one of its sides. Now, I did not get any confirmed information to determine if there was any fatality or if there was any injury. And even though someone gave a location or said a location in the video, I don't have any confirmed information as to exactly where the video will be recorded. I don't have any confirmed information as to when the video will be recorded as well. But the video is being talked about on social media. So that's one of the reasons why I'm presenting the video to you, and I want to look at the video and tell me what you think. Now, please bear in mind that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Observe.
Road, this one is rough. Man, two truck, Central Village, Spanish Town.
Yeah,
You say? Why me no want them a man shoes nutty at all? Ah man, you say? People, this don't look good. Oh, this good. Watch out.
I also did not get any confirmed information as to what caused those two motor vehicles to overturn, but by looking at the video, you might get an understanding about the situation. Alright, so I also saw a video that shows a large amount of persons at the USA embassy within the country of Jamaica. Yeah, a large amount of people was at the United States of America embassy within the country of Jamaica. Now, that video is being talked about on social media because of the amount of people or the amount of persons you can see at that location. See? That's one video that's being talked about on social media. And I also saw a video that shows two females who throw objects at each other. So based on some words that have been said in the video and based on what I saw in the video, I got the understanding that there was some type of confrontation between two females, and the confrontation escalated to a point where both females throw objects at each other. That video also is being talked about on social media. just quickly going through some videos that are being talked about on social media. Alright, so I also saw a video that shows police officers from within the country of Jamaica holding on to at least 2 persons. See, so based on what I saw and heard in the video, I got the understanding that police held on to 2 persons and take them away. See, that video has been talked about on social media in quite a number of ways. You understand me? Some persons are wondering why police held on to those 2 persons. I don't have any confirmed information if anyone else had been held by police on that day at that location, but that video has been talked about on social media. It's not really a long video. See, take a look at the video for yourself, my people. Observe and tell me what you think. Now, I'm not sure if me here properly, viewers and subscribers, but I think I hear a person, or should I say a female, keep asking the same question over and over in that video. You understand? Yeah, if you hear what the person say in the video clearly, let me know. Alright? Now, my people, I'm going to move on to the main topic. And I want to tell you, my viewers and subscribers, to brace yourself, because some words that I'm about to say to you might be uncomfortable. Alright, and this is about a situation where it is said that a mother left 2 children at a location for a certain amount of time. So listen. Now, I got information that a female is wanted by police within the United States of America, and a warrant had been issued for the arrest of the female for abandoning her 2 children for a certain amount of time. And I got information that is a female who uses social media a certain type of way. And some Jamaicans might call a female like her a hot girl, you know, girl who dress nice and so. That's the information we may get. But listen, it is believed that the female left her 2 children home alone for nearly 2 months or 2 months. Because I got 2 separate information when it comes on to this whole situation as to how long the female allegedly abandoned her 2 children. The point is, the female had been accused of leaving her 2 children home alone for more than a month. And according to more information that I got, viewers and subscribers, and I'm going to say allegedly, it is said that the 2 children were not registered in school. And this situation is said to be something that happened last year. It is said that the female left her 2 children home alone for more than a month last year. Now, let me see if we can give you some more information as to why police issued the warrant or how this whole situation reached to this point. Alright? So, according to more information that I got, see, allegedly, it is said that the father of one of the children reported to police in the month of November, the year 2022, that she had left the 2 children alone at home. Now, one of those 2 children is said to be 12-year-old, and the other child is said to be 3-year-old. Allegedly, it is said that the father for one of those 2 children somehow suspected or realized that those 2 children were home alone when the oldest of those 2 children kept calling him and asking him to send them food. And there's more information as to how the father of one of those 2 children came to that realization. And listen to this part again, normal people, see? So, allegedly, it is said that the father does not live at the house, but he pays the rent. And it is said that police did not find any food in the cabinets or fridge, but the 2 children are said to be safe. Alright, it is said that they are safe. I also got the understanding that there's an allegation that inside of the house was messy And I also got the understanding that there's an allegation about the mother being spotted somewhere, viewers and subscribers. And to be honest, based on some information that I got, I'm also wondering what happened to the mother and so forth. So me answer, viewers and subscribers. And I think I talk about this situation somehow, you know. Yeah, I think I talk about the situation somehow at some point. I'm not sure. But anyways, so according to more information that I got, it is believed that the 12-year-old child was resourceful. Now, in my point of view, no children should have to go through anything like this, whether they are resourceful or not. And this is really and truly horrible. This is a horrible situation. But, you know, let me know what you think, viewers and subscribers, alright? I think here's where I'm going to leave it, you know. Big up, respect and manners to each and everyone. Until next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.